can't talk about the big house when you say the producer go now.
The producer, boss, the thing, my lad, the producer, everything up.
So, yeah.
Everything up. Man,
so you think you like that one? Hey, give me the chepe with the fat lappy juice them. And the chepe with the fat center fruit them. Hey, give me the chepe with the real cute them. This how key have the good body juice them. Hey, we nanga.
Watch out, nanga monster. The nanga monster, balakawa, nanga monster, the nanga monster.
Balakawa.
Because we have the girls, them around bossy murder. A murder lad, God could punish you.
Who's that? Do it.
Guess what? If I look at the boy, I want to put me in the movie, so you hear me piece of me get it now. It's like, hey, want to put me in the movie. You know, the boy I want to make a star of me.
Oh,
I'm like them, I'm so happy. Hey. I'm gonna show them what this day turn out to be. I'm from Jamaica, go live Hollywood. That's not good. That's not good. You go married to a girl and find out she have a hood. That's not good.
No, that's not good.
The boss boy come tell me about who open up the hood. That's not good. That's not good.
Whoa, Will!
What's going on, man? I'm here,
I really food you can't remember you.
New Benzes, 21 Benzes.
So I produce a bus in the partner, girl.
Yeah, man, I pay me. See how you master radio over here, so.
Why? Can't murder me.
When this, I want to take the whole top gun.
Come here, Andy.
Man,
So what do you think we can't sign with? So you think you can't talk to the producer for man?
We'll talk to him, I can do a thing still, but you know what I said? Music, them have to write and lyrics, them have to street and shit. Yeah, I know what you right now, my youth.
So you're producer?
Producer, when I said drive by the body scene.
Drive by,
the general, this.
So how you believe we are treat the artists, them you are them live with a big house up this one and sit them on. Hey, Quenga don't do nothing like that to we know my lad. Quenga don't do nothing like that. You don't know Quenga man by student with producer man. So you say you so I'm with you can we run left you know. What that sign with you still you know? You can't sign now.
Can't sign no.
Nanga.
Let me hear something quick.
Hey. Give me the chepe with the fat lappy juice them. And the chepe with the fat center fruit them. Give me the chepe when they real cute them. Mr. Waki have the good body juice them. Give me the chepe with the fat lappy. I hear them. We nanga.
Alakawa. Nanga monster. The nanga monster. Alakawa. Our monster. The nanga monster. Alakawa.
Come with something, Dad. Come with something.
You are here
So man.
Yeah, why
You see, boy, the boy, them are all they talk like a pastor will say. Every girl I go at church now to Pastor Wilson. Who I show a stone if you know you're not sing to. They read out of the Bible when I tell them into. You see the boy and the man, the boy it's like what?
We are.
Yeah, that one can't go.
Yo, like, so what? I really do say the boss like we don't live in a big house and sit them out.
Yeah, man, I'm not for the boss.
Some people don't sit them.
Oh, you mean a big thing?
Well, I don't know, not like that.
We say drive by, how you feel like you want to take my youth.
So that's like, yeah, sit them.
What you mean, my youth? Yo, how you think when I come from? How you think?
So you think you put up a fool boss, we get a sign up with this boss.
How you mean? Run like that boy there. Boy, they're full.
Yo,
Boy, they're
come here, go over so we're going to read. Man, go read track thing, you know.
I want you. RPG rap, I will care about you.
Yeah, make we go, yo.
The band rims there. The boy not to me. You want the rims.
Channel one drive by a car, man. One name of the no money for you, no the car got already, you know. Hello?
Yo, Quenga.
Yo, what going on, General?
You know, say them youth where you sign over here, so I talk about you.
Where, sir?
Yeah, man, them over here talk about the eye.
For real?
Just pull up, you know. Pull up and screeching for them. Come hear them a talk about the eye, my youth.
The boy, them don't go out with my youth.
Yeah, just pull up right now.
There, chop.
Alright, not say nothing Rasta man, but dep on my way, here. Alright, but then in a minute, just go and hold them there, here. Don't make them left enough. Alright. Rasta, bless. That the pussy hold them out.
Anyway, me de chepe afi de de. Anyway, me de no chepe de de. Chepe de battle we say they no we reggae. So when we de no chepe de de. Chepe de de. See them party the church of here, so de. See them want the Peter Kalada, so de. Anyway, they hear me salo bade de. Chepe de de. Ah!
Ananga master. Alanga master, the guy that's here, watch out. Alanga master, English. Alanga master, become a subject button,
What are you talking about? Pass it. Why? I will break it this summer. I like a DJ. I want you ready to do your thing.
So what else? You want to sign? You want to sign with that?
I will go reach out for the contract. You think so you're not signing?
Your man, the other sign the idea. The idea so good and thing. I sign the idea.
Yeah, man. We want to do that, man. I'm going to sign this.
Yeah, they will sign with that. But basically, my boy have a whole of stipulation for the contract, you know.
Class.
Yeah, what about class for the contract, you know?
Well, I know.
A contract with the sign, you know.
You know, a 70-30, you do here.
Eh?
70-30, man.
So much you get?
30, I get 70.
You have to talk to him because I'm a liar, we deal with it.
So I said, I'm going to reach out the contract.
We check the contract and do it.
You can go sign it.
You can go sign.
Yeah, man, so you like it. So we like it. Gara or house, living up.
Anything you want, you get it.
I'm sit there. I'm Gara.
Yo, what the fuck buckle out there down here? What are you?
I was saying that.
Oh, so we have to stop the restoration. Oh, check buckle restoration.
We have to stop the
restoration. All find the blood clot.
I come pick up
No. What? I don't want to hang around and say them. I want to go up and say them.
check my artist president.
I just want to know the money.
What do you mean we artist president?
Artist president, oh, wait. Yo, yeah, you man. What are you doing?
School of the boss.
I saw this blood clot man come up like Egypt conversation and come behind me. Oh, yo, what I do?
No, the boss.
What I do?
The boss. Show me what
What I show?
What? I want to carry what I'm artist and getting by the carry. You man about watch
tell us something what go on. See, just like a man I watch a movie, I'm gonna do a video and I'm gonna rent something. You don't even care what I can keep it. Don't make things ready now. Listen me. When you come out of this bumper clock right? Come out of this fight. Yo, move from us. Come out of this one.
Run like them fast like that Hussein boy.
Don't make telling the stars, them boy, man. Can't trust them in a star.
Yeah, it is them fast boss.
Nah, tell them, man.
You can't trust them again.
For real, man. Boy, was some backbiter. All them find them, so.
I wish some more of them.
How are they not talking on the phone in the G? They overhear the conversation coming in. They can't trust them boy, you know.
Assign the right, assign the more, assign the
I'm
right.
training to it boy, you know.
Yeah,
I'm not telling them in general.
You said the more,
Yo,
assign with the
if them sounds the powers of Rastafari, because they never know the thing, you know. Come in and sell out them belly. No.
Tell.
Let me not tell them, man. Can't trust them, man. Someone treat them good enough. Someone treat them good enough star.
Whistleblower them.
Boy, they want bed to sleep on, you know. Good weed for smoke, you know. Food every day, no liquor for drink, you know.
So the money we talk about the oodles and noodles, you have to feed them on that taste.
I'm my style
I tell them, man, them come in and see car and think, man, I want car, man, and I don't say I have to work to get
I
out.
want to go about them, I want to go about.
I tell them, man, I must say them tiger sing about now.
Where you talk
Tell them go bicycle.
I tell them, man, when double plate vice, I pay them and all them thing there, you know. You see it, and the boy, they come in and go on them way.
Yeah, talk about that. You there talk about the oodles and noodles they might eat.
For real?
And my artists, they might grab like lobster, tail, shrimp, steak, anything they want to eat, my yo.
Are you serious,
And
General?
when you talk about my artists,
Yo!
and they want to come around your eye, you want to come around the eye.
Boy, they said about work for nothing.
Some $20, $30.
Yeah, the wickedest thing, you know, they put them around the blood clip microphone and tell them work them. They can't do nothing, you know.
Brother, then when I worry at things, yo, I put the floor in my sleeve and all that.
Yo, the General, I want queen size, me have the man them pan. Next one I want queen size. I want spare room there.
How much money for the one
See?
The boy say him have a grown
One
bed.
each.
Alright, they're not feeling thing that.
What up, Lord clip?
Yeah,
Watch me on them, man.
like a double
Watch me
sided
on them,
cutlass.
man.
Like a double
Watch me on them, man. I be a food cook, you know.
The boy them all want come cook all sitting on them thing them more time and me I run them and them a go on somewhere in the gym.
And they are no eat once again.
Me I tell them
No fly up. No fly up.
Yo, just watch me and them man. They say me go back up and see them. Just watch it man. I got ear man.
Boy, them a whistleblower.
John no. Yes, man, a liar to the thing, man. Man, a liar to the thing, and them things I don't do that, man. The man a work, man. The man a work, man, and them no want nothing. Cool, man, them soon done Kelly, and I tell you.
No! Meikle to Meikle.
You have to change the word.
No, I'm not change. What the fuck I go out that TV? You can't say nothing on the screen.
What about fuck Meikle?
Fuck Meikle to Meikle.
Alright,
This shit a blood clot bling like a snow coming out of the